Hey, this is Mr. Lee, and this is the video homework. Copy down this one example problem and do these 4 problems on a separate piece of paper, turn it in, and that'll be your homework. So right now, draw this out. Here's what we did in class. We're finding the area of a polygon, a many-sided shape. But what sucks is there's like a lot of different shapes right here. Let's draw this out, and when we come back, let's draw a line right here. When I draw a line right here, what I wind up making is a triangle. So now with my triangle, I've got this full rectangle and I've got this triangle. One other thing with this shape right here, I want you guys to get is this. One thing I want you guys to notice is this. If you can circle this 7 right here, this 7 goes from here to the very tip of the triangle. So the 2 shapes that we're doing are the rectangle and the triangle. When I do the area of the rectangle, I know area is length times width. And when I do this rectangle right here, I'm going to highlight this. So if you guys can circle where I highlight in yellow, here's the 5. 5 times what for the area? Well, I know right here for this rectangle, it's 5 times 4. So now for my rectangle, I do 5 times 4. And the area for the rectangle is going to be 20. Now, for the area of the triangle, I have half base times height. But what's really hard right now is trying to figure out what the base and the height are. If you guys can get a pencil and make this dark right here, that's going to be our base. I know right here the total is 5, and this side right here, this is 3. 3 plus this green part right here gets me 5. What would get me 5? If you said 2, you'd be right. So right here, I know my base is 2. Next up, I have to figure out what my height is. And the height, if you don't know what we're looking at, is right here in pink. I know this whole line is 7. And I know this first part right here is 4. 4 plus something else gets me 7. So again, what would get me 7 plus 4 plus what would get me 7? Well, this one would be 3. So now I'm in business. I'm going to have triangle equals half of half of 2 times 3. So triangle equals half of 2 times 3. Half of 2 gets me 1, and 1 times 3 gets me 3. So I know my triangle is 3, and my rectangle is 20. So I'm going to do 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 gets me 23 inches squared. Pause it right here and make sure you get all this down. Welcome back. Here's the last part of your homework. Again, on a separate piece of paper, please draw all 4 shapes and try to cut these shapes so you can figure out the area. You're going to have a couple of triangles and a couple of rectangles. Anyway, class, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Take care.
Bye.